Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting gaming laptops of the year, the Lenovo Legion 15AKP10, powered by AMD's latest Ryzen AI 7350 processor. With next-gen AI features, an RTX 5070 and a stunning OLED display, this one might just be the ultimate all-rounder. Let's get into it. First off, design. The Legion 5 comes in a sleek Eclipse black finish, giving it that premium, understated gamer aesthetic. It feels solid and well-built, no flexing, no cheap plastics. You've got a full-size keyboard with 24-zone RGB lighting, power adapter 245 watts, slim tip. Now let's talk display, and trust me, it's one of the highlights. A 15.1-inch WQXGA OLED panel with a 165 Hz refresh rate, 100% DCI-P3 coverage, Dolby Vision and Display HDR True Black 600. For audio, you get stereo 2-watt Harman speakers tuned with Nahimic audio, decent for casual gaming and movies. The 1080p plus IR camera is sharp and has a physical e-shutter for privacy. And for ports, you're covered. Dual USB-Cs, HDMI 2.1, USB-A, RJ45 Ethernet, Wi-Fi 7, and even Bluetooth 5.4. Keyboard 24-zone RGB, backlit English. Touchpad buttonless, Mylar surface, multi-touch touchpad, supports precision touchpad. Under the hood, it's powered by AMD's Ryzen AI 7350 that's 8 cores, 16 threads, and clock speeds up to 5.0 GHz. But what's new here is the integrated NPU delivering up to 50 TOPS of AI acceleration. Pair that with 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, a fast 512 GB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, and the RTX 5070 with 8 GB of GDDR7, and you've got serious power. Gaming performance is excellent. The RTX 5070 with a TGP of 115 watts and boost clock up to 2,347 MHz handles modern titles with ease. Expect high FPS at 1440p Ultra in most games. And thanks to 798 AI TOPS from the GPU side, you're also getting DLSS 3.5, frame generation, and AI-powered upscaling. Thermals are well managed even under heavy load, temps stay under control, and the dual fan setup keeps noise reasonable. The Legion cold front cooling system is doing a solid job here. Battery life is solid for a gaming laptop thanks to the 80 watt-hour battery, and the 245-watt slim tip adapter gives you fast top-ups. Don't expect all-day battery for gaming, but for general use, it can go a good few hours. The Legion 5 also features Lenovo's AI chip LA3, which helps intelligently manage performance and cooling based on your workload. You also get factory color calibration, which creatives will love, and the system runs on Windows 11 Home out of the box. So who's this for? If you're a gamer, creator, or someone who wants a future-ready AI PC, the Lenovo Legion 515 AKP10 ticks almost every box. Great performance, incredible display, modern ports, and that Ryzen AI power under the hood, all in a stylish package.